G'day guys, this is probably old news, but yeah, the Astra's shutting down. When the original wiring crumbles apart, you're going to get that. Funny thing is, it doesn't really register in the computer. Okay, now that's the cam sensor, and that's the crank sensor. On the block, I might make another video about the radiator, but that's just about that. So yeah, it's sort of maintenance, should be done with the timing belt. Whoever did the timing belt here, not only did they put the belt on backwards there, which is fine, but they didn't change the cam sensor. So anyway, it's usually on the subs and these GM engines, it's usually the crank sensor that causes the car to shut down, and it does not have this heat affected wiring issue like the cam sensor. Okay, hope that helps guys. Bye.